knows what it is. It's a big boy.
Here, come here, show me.
Oh. Put your feet. Show him how to put his feet up there.
Look, put your feet like this. You hold them up here. You ready? You like that?
He doesn't smile, does he?
Yeah, he's grinning. Yeah, that's cool. He's going to do it with his feet. Take that piece of paper off.
It's confusing.
No, you're not supposed to take it off. It's like when black
That's
people don't
super
take their tag off their
The
hat.
button. Show him the button.
You ready?
His feet cool.
He tried to turn it. What? I just see it.
You gotta turn! You gotta turn! Put your feet up, baby. Put your feet